Tape www.suividécole-au-sénégal.com. À école au Sénégal, c'est facile, tu n'as qu'à te connecter. Tape école au Sénégal, les leçons sont beaucoup plus détaillées.
That's rude, that's impolite. I'm trying to help you. I'm trying to see if, if it's okay. But you say, no, it's very, very rude. What is the right way to say it? And there are a whole bunch of them here that you can use. Rejecting an offer, rejecter an offer. Rejecting what somebody, trying to give you. You say no thanks. So the plus simple is like yes please. The opposite of yes please is no thanks or no thank you. These are very, very informal. No thanks. No thank you. Those are very, very informal. But you can also go no. Somebody offers, oh, would you want me to help you to put the book back on the shelf probably? Or do you need some help? You say, oh no, I'll do it. When you've eaten, vous avez mangé, and somebody comes to clear off the table, to clear off. You're clearing off the table. To clear off, ça signifie débarrasser la table après avoir mangé, to clear off the table. And your friend or mom or dad comes to say, oh, let me clear it off for you. Let me take your plate to the kitchen. You're like, oh no, thank you. I'll do it myself. Oh no, thank you. I can get it done. I can get it myself. I can do it myself. See that example? Oh no, thank you. Non, je peux le débarrasser. Merci. Merci quand même, mais je peux le faire. I can do it. I can do it myself. So, that's a way of saying no, I'll do it, or no, I'll get it myself. Je le ferai moi-même. Mais merci quand même d'avoir offert. Thank you. No, I'll do it myself. Or no, thank you, I'll do it myself. Okay? Don't worry, I'll do it or I'll get it myself. Don't worry, t'inquiète pas. T'inquiète. Okay? T'inquiète pas. Worry, c'est s'inquiéter. So don't worry, I'll do it myself. Or don't worry, I'll do it or I'll get it myself. I'll do it myself, I'll get it myself. Don't worry about it. But thanks for the offer, but don't worry. It's all good, okay? It's very kind of you, but me. That's very kind of you. It's very thoughtful of you. That's very thoughtful of you. But I'll do it. But I think I can make it on time. But I think I got this. But I think I understood. But, so don't worry. That's very kind of you. Ça, c'est très gentil de ta part. Que j'ai saisi, je pense que j'ai compris. Je pense que je serai là à l'heure. Je pense que je peux le faire. But me, I think I can do it. It's very kind of you. That's very kind of you. Or somebody offers, you can also say, oh yes, yes please, that's very kind of it. This one is, it's very kind of you, that's very kind of you, but me. I appreciate the offer. If somebody, like in the job offer, j'apprécie l'offre, mais je pense que je vais vouloir décliner. But I think that I will have to decline. I appreciate your offer of wanting to give me a ride, but it's okay, I got it all covered. I appreciate your offer. J'apprécie l'offre de vouloir me déposer, mais j'ai déjà trouvé une solution. J'apprécie le fait que tu veux vouloir babysitter mes enfants, to keep my kids, but I got this, my nanny is coming. I appreciate it. Do you see that it has more tone? It's more courteous. So, and it depends on the way you're saying it. If you're saying it in a rude way, then that's not good. When you're rejecting an offer, you have to be calm and courteous. Okay? It's very tempting. L'offre, c'est vraiment séduisant. Tempting. Tempt, c'est séduire. It's very tempting. C'est vraiment séduisant, mais malheureusement, je ne pourrais pas le prendre. The offer is very tempting. Je suis tentée à accepter, mais je ne peux pas. It's very tempting, that offer, especially when you go for an offer, for a job offer, and the salary, le salaire est tellement très bon, les conditions, mais il y a toujours quelque chose qui te dit, qui cloche quelque part. Et c'est, cette offre d'embauche est tellement attirant, mais malheureusement, merci vraiment, c'est vraiment attirant, c'est vraiment, voilà. Mais malheureusement, je ne peux pas. So it's very tempting. Your offer is very tempting. But unfortunately, I have to turn it down. To turn something down, ça signifie rejeter, refuser. But I have to turn it down. Not today, thanks. And your friend calls you up and says, Mariama, where are you? You want to go for a glass of, catch a movie? Bon, aller regarder un film, on peut aller au cinéma. Mariama, qu'est-ce que tu fais? Allons manger, allons au cinéma, allons au mall. You say, no, not today, thanks. Non, pas aujourd'hui, merci. Not today. This is very informal. So it's friends, it's family, colleagues, but you say, not today, thanks. Okay, pas aujourd'hui, merci, toujours. You know, this particular one is a bit different. Okay, let me sleep on it. Remember I told you that when they offer you something, it's either a yay or a nay, a yes or no, accept or reject, you know. But then in the middle of it, there's kind of like a maybe yes and maybe no, you're not sure. So you want to actually sleep on that offer. You want to sleep on it, ça signifie que tu veux réfléchir. Donne-moi du temps, comme on dit, la nuit porte conseil. That's exactly what it means. Let me sleep on it. Pour dire, laisse-moi y réfléchir. Je te reviens après avoir peut-être bondir sur ça, réfléchir sur ça. Voilà, la nuit me porte conseil. Peut-être le lendemain, je te ferai signe par rapport à ce sujet. That is to sleep on it. Let me sleep on it. Let me ponder a little bit. You know, give me time to think. Okay, no rush about it. So let me sleep on it. Let me think about it. You know, let me see how I can do, and then I'll get back to you on the answer on your offer. So, especially with jobs, we often sleep on the offer. Avec les lettres d'embauche, les offres d'embauche, les contrats et toutes les conditions d'habitude avant de signer, before you sign, you want to actually sleep on it. You know, voilà, réfléchir et voir et donner la réponse si on va accepter. You know, that is to sleep on it. So, make, accept, reject, decline, and offer. What is it that you need to say? How do you do when you want to make an offer to someone? When you want to help someone, what are the right terms to use in a formal and informal setting? We've used it already. Would you like? Would you care for? Can I? May I? You know, do you want? Can I get you something? Those are making an offer, wanting to know. And then, of course, how do you accept it? You know, there are formals and informals. Yes, please. You know, thank you. You know, that would be great. That would be nice. That's so kind of you. That's very generous of you. I really appreciate that. I would love that. You know, those are really proper ways, you know, of accepting an offer. That would be nice. That would be lovely. That's so kind of you. That's so generous of you. You know, yes, please, I would like that very much. I appreciate that very much. Yes, definitely. Definitely too is another word when you want to accept something. I'm going to put it here. No, definitely. Definitely, ça signifie absolument. Absolutely is another word too. Yes, definitely, even absolutely too. You can use that too. You know, absolutely. Definitely, yes. Definitely. Thank you very much. Definitely, I would appreciate that. But these are all informal that you can use. Okay, and then of course, rejecting, I've told us the tone, the style, the way you say it, your facial expressions, they all count when you're rejecting, because that's what we look at. No, no thank you, no thanks, you know, I appreciate the offer, but as tempting as it is, I'll have to turn it down. It's very kind of you, but, you know, don't worry, I'll get it done, I'll do it myself, no, I'll do it, I'll get it done, you know, no thank you. So those are some of the words that you phrases that you should please get them, know them, use them as much as you can when somebody offers you or when you reject it or when you want to offer. Okay, thank you and I'll see you next class.
La 3W suivi d'école au Sénégal.